embracing all. It hushes the noise of the restless streets. A blurred and quiet world appears, a hidden beauty only rain reveals. In this veil, I feel so free. No need to see, no need to be. The rain is beautiful, it hides what I don't want to show. Tears, fears, they fade into the undertow. Beneath the gray and gentle skies, I find my peace. A world that's only mine, living in the rain's release. On asphalt blooms fleeting water flowers. Footprints vanish in the endless showers. A mirror ripple showing me unclear, a softened self that rain holds dear. It whispers, it's okay to be undefined. Just wait and see. The rain is kind to shield the things I'd rather not share. Covers scars and whispers you're still whole somewhere. Wrapped in its sound alone, but not afraid to be. The world becomes so beautiful with rain surrounding me. The rain blurs every line we try to draw, turns pain into something beautifully raw. What colors lie awake beyond this storm? I'll stay here safe and warm. The rain is beautiful, it keeps me hidden, keeps me safe. Past and future fade in its gentle embrace. A droplet glides reflecting all I am within. And here with rain, my world